Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So guys, in today's video, we'll see how we can use lifecycle block in Terraform. So this is basically the code that we have used in our previous videos also, which is a virtual machine code. But in today's video, we don't need the complete resources of a virtual machine in order to understand this example. So I'm commenting out the piece that is not required for this specific piece of lifecycle. So in order to get it commented out, we just need to put a slash and then the star because it's a multi-line comment. So in the end, we can do also the same, star and slash. So this is now commented out. So firstly, what we will understand with lifecycle block, that without lifecycle block, how things were going and why we need lifecycle block in our Terraform code. So in today's video, we'll see the life cycle, one of the life cycle related parameter, that is create before destroy, and how we can use it, that I'll show you. So this is basically two resources in Azure. One is for resource group, one is for virtual network. So firstly, as usual, what we do is the Terraform init command. So we'll run it, and it will try to do some kind of downloading related to plugins. So it will create a .terraform file. On the left side, you will see over there. So it will download plugins related to Azure, which is required in order to create these two resources. And once this is done, it will provide a lock also on the version, so that the version we declared in provider.tf, the version will be logged and same version will be used if we rerun this configuration for next time. So as we can see, one is .terraform, one is .terraform.log.scl. So it will provide a lock to that version. So this I have explained in my previous videos multiple times. So in today's video, we'll see that now if we'll go and if we'll see a plan here, so it will show us that it is going to create two resources. One is Azure resource group and one is virtual network. And similarly, we can do an apply also here. Okay, so there is, it is saying the flag, command line flag. Okay, it's auto hyphen approve. So in this way, it is going to create two resources. So it, once it will get create, then our lifecycle block will come into picture, because as of now, first of all, we need to create the resources. But why we are discussing this lifecycle block here? Because there will be some change when we'll destroy it. So in case of creation, it is simply creating a resource group and then it is creating a virtual network. But suppose if we make any changes to any of these resources, suppose if we want to change the name of this virtual network with test network to test network 1. So now if we'll take a plan, it will show us that there is some change, that the resource will get changed as a name from test network to test network 1. But when we'll apply, so here you are seeing it is going to add one resource, it is going to destroy also. So when we'll do an apply, you will see that what it do, it will firstly destroy the resource and then it will create the resource. We'll see in the lines here. So now it is starting. So here you are seeing that it is destroying first and then it will create a new resource with network 1. So firstly it will destroy test network and then it will create. So here you can see still destroy, destruction completed for test network, and then it is creating the test network 1. So this will create a kind of outage. Usually we don't change these things in kind of network, we don't change the name, but there may be some scenario where we want to do it. So now who will come to save us? It is the life cycle block. So suppose if I'm placing a life cycle block here, and if we are doing a create before destroy as a true, by default its value is false, so we are making its value as true. And now if we'll change the value to test network 2, and if we'll apply this, so now we will see one change here, that it will destroy not first, it will create first. So here if we'll go to see the logs, So here we are seeing it is creating first. So it is creating test network 2 first, and then once it is done, creation is done, then it is destroying test network 1. So in this way we can avoid any kind of outage that is related to this thing. So that's why this life cycle piece is very important, and we need to use whenever there is a kind of use case and that actually land in this kind of scenario. So guys, I hope you understood the concept, and if you understood the concept, just give a like to this video, and I'll see you in my next video.